Hey friend, let me ask you something real quick. What made you smile today? I know it sounds simple, but think about it. In between the rush of work, school runs, deadlines, traffic, or just the noise of life, we sometimes forget to notice those little sparks of joy. And yet, they're always there, waiting for us to pause and see them. For me, it was something small today. For me today, it was something small. I was scrolling through my phone absent-mindedly when I stumbled on a funny video. Nothing extraordinary, but it cracked me up. For those few seconds, I wasn't thinking about bills, deadlines, or responsibilities. I was just smiling. And that reminded me, joy doesn't always come in big packages. Sometimes, slips in quietly through the ordinary moments we'd normally overlook. Maybe for you, it was your child's giggle or the way your colleague held the door open with a smile. Maybe it was the aroma of food from cooking, or that text message from a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Even something as simple as a stranger's good morning can carry enough warmth to brighten your whole day. So the truth is, life won't always give you grand celebrations for every day. But if we train ourselves to notice the small moments, we realize that joy is never really far from us. It's in the small wins, it's in gratitude, it's in laughter, kindness, and connection. So here's my challenge to you today. Before you sleep tonight, pause and ask yourself again, what made you smile today? Write it down if you can. Acknowledge it. Celebrate it. Because the more we recognize these little sparks, the more we create space for happiness in our lives. So, once again, over to you. What made you smile today?